We're going to go to Google, select a picture of our liking, and then we're going to go to this website right here, huggingface.co. I'm going to put it down so you all can go to it. Anything, depth, anything, version 2. So, what we're going to do, once you find a picture that you would like to use to make into a 3D image or object, you're going to navigate to that picture. Well, you can click in the middle. I will click in the middle, find the picture that you want to use, bring the picture in. So once the picture is in, you want to go down here to compute depth. Compute depth. Click on that, and it's going to start loading here. When it comes in, it gives you this right here. So this is just showing you how much depth you got inside of your picture. The red being the closest, the farthest sticking out, the yellow and the lighter is far back. So what you're going to do is once you get that, you're going to go down here where it's a grayscale depth map, and you're going to go to the right, click that, save that. Once you save that to whatever folder that you want to save it to, you can leave out now. So now that you're out of there, you go into Blender. So now we're in Blender. We're going to delete everything inside of Blender by pressing A for all. So it's going to select everything inside of Blender, and then we're going to press X for delete and press delete. Now everything is gone. First thing we're going to do is bring in a plane. So we're going to hit Shift, hold down Shift, and hit A. Once you do that, mesh will come up. You can go down to mesh. When it comes up, go over to plane. Press plane. You got your plane in. So now we want to subdivide. So we're going to press tab to go into edit mode. Right click on your mouse. Go to subdivide here and press. Now we have 4 faces here. We're going to go down to the left hand side where it says subdivide, and you see your drop down button. You click on your drop down button, go up to where it says number of cuts. Click there and change that to 30. So we changed that to 30. As you see, your cuts are applied. Now from there, we're going to go over to your modifier to your right, which is this little wrench right here. If we hit modifier, we're going to add a modifier, go to deform right here, and then we're going to go to displace. We click on displace. So now that we have that there, you get this right here up under the add modifiers, your displace tool right here. So we're going to hit new. Once you click on new, you look all the way to the right. On the right side of this X right here, you're going to click this. This is what shows your texture. We're going to click on that right there, and then we're going to go down to where it say open. When you click on open, it's going to open up all your files. So you're going to navigate to where you saved that file. So your file should look something like this, black and white, like this. So I'm going to click on that and hit open image. So as you see, the image came up here. Now we have the image here. Now I'm going to go back to modifiers, this little wrench right here. Once I do that, I'm going to go to where it says strength at, right here. Click on strength, and I'm going to make it 0.5. So now that I add it to 0.5, I'm going to go back into object mode. And as you see, it's sort of looking like the picture, but we got some work to do here. So we added 0.5. So I'm going to right click on this, and I'm going to hit shade smooth. Once I hit shade smooth, it get rid of a lot of those hard areas that was there. All right, now I'm going to go back to the modifier here. I'm going to add another modifier. This one is, I'm going to go to generate, and I'm gonna go to subdivision surface. So I'm gonna go to subdivision surface down here, click on that. Now that I got that, I'm gonna grab that here and I'm gonna drag it to the top. I wanna put it over the top here. And where it say levels viewport at, I'm gonna change that to, I'm gonna go to 6 with it. No, I'm gonna stay at 5. I'm gonna stay about 5 with it. So I changed that level viewport to about 5 right here. Now I'm gonna go back to add modifier. This time I'm gonna go to deform. When I go to deform, I'm gonna hit smooth corrective. So I hit smooth corrective here, and that gives me that here. So I got this. I'm gonna go down up under vertex group and hit only smooth. I click that one time, and then I'm gonna go to repeat. Where I'm at repeat, I'm gonna put in 20. So I put in 20 on the repeat. I could have went lower. I can go to 10. Let's see what 10 do. I went to 10 on the repeat there. So I have that in order right there. So now I'm going to go to my shading. So if I click on my shading, I bring this up here. As you see, it look a lot better than where we started off at. And we got the depth to it that we need. We got the depth there. So now I'm gonna go to where it say new at. I click on new and it gives me these nodes right here. Now we want to add the textures to it. So I'm gonna go back into my finder. I'm gonna find the original picture with all the colors and the textures. I'm gonna drag that into here. Once I do that, as you see, it gives me another node down here. This has all the texture information in it. I'm gonna grab right here on this yellow spot here, and I'm going to drag this line over to where it say base color. And as you see what happens, it applies the color to it. Now I want to get rid of the background, so I'm gonna hold down alpha and then drag it to the alpha here. And now there's no background. So I can go back to layout if I want to here and hit this up here. Now what I have is a 3D pic or object of the lady's face. So that's how you do 3D objects out of 2D image.